Alright, so I have about 340 grams of butternut squash over here. I got them at the store like this. If you want to make it from home, I'll put everything in the description box below how you can create this. And then I have 2 eggs. I have about 4 tablespoons of parmesan cheese and some butter. I won't need all of that, and some EVOO, pepper, Himalayan salt, and a couple wedges of lemon, and some black oyster mushroom, some chopped garlic, and some dried thyme. Okay, so starting off with a hot pan, I'm putting in some butter and then a little bit of EVOO, and then I am going to add in the chopped garlic that I have here, and I am gonna follow that with the black oyster mushrooms, and I'm just gonna saute this for a little bit. This is looking pretty good. Oh my god, I love the smell of like garlic. Okay, so time to add in the butternut squash noodles, and I'm just gonna saute this for about, overall I would say 5 to 7 minutes, nothing longer because I don't want it too soft. And then I'm gonna season this with some pepper. And a little bit of Himalayan salt. You can use whatever salt you want. You don't even have to put any salt if that's what you prefer. And then I'm just gonna mix this all together. This is looking good, guys, so I'm gonna transfer this over to a bowl. I'm now going to add in the dried thyme that I have here. It really depends how much you want for this spice. I used about a tablespoon, and then now I'm going to add in the lemon that I have. And then I'm going to add in the Parmesan cheese that I have. I have about 4 tablespoons here. Over here, I'm just pan frying the eggs. It's smelling so good, guys. And here you go, guys. And then I'm just gonna add some pepper on top. You can even add some chili flakes if you'd like, but here it is.